In the last 2 weeks, a lot has changed in our world. There's a lot of uncertainty about a lot of different things. But what about someone who's in the middle of buying or selling real estate? What should they be doing right now? Hi, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. The last couple of weeks have been unprecedented, but not everything is bad news. In our local market, just in the last 6 days, we're seeing hundreds of homes go under contract, hundreds of homes close. We have active buyer activity and new listings are coming on the market every day. We're definitely in line with what is expected of a March in our area. So in these times of uncertainty, I wanted to offer some proactive tips so that you can get yourself organized and prepared and experience the best outcome for your situation. If you're a seller or looking to sell soon, you probably have a little extra time on your hands right now. You can tackle some of the projects that you haven't gotten to yet, and it'll make a big difference in how a buyer perceives your home. Make sure to declutter. That'll create a sense of space and organization, and buyers love that. Also, look at your storage areas, cabinets, drawers, closets. Make sure they're organized. Then tackle some of the little niggly projects you've been putting off until the inspection, things that you know need to be addressed, but you hadn't been able to get to them. Things like a leak, or maybe some paint, drywall repair, things like this that are not big jobs that are easy for you to do. Then step outside and take a look at your home from the street. Is there anything you could do to boost the curb appeal? Does it need paint? Are there any fascia or eaves repairs that you could do? Do the windows need cleaning? Anything that you can do to boost your curb appeal is going to help form a favorable opinion of your home in a buyer's mind. You may have some concerns about people entering your home, and that's understandable. Some buyers are going to feel the same way, but rest assured that if you are allowing people to come into your home, we will take all precautions necessary by wearing booties, wearing gloves. Anybody who's sick just doesn't go in. And we carry disinfecting wipes to make sure that we wipe down the surfaces as we leave the home. We are asking sellers to help a little by already leaving lights on and opening doors to cabinets and closets so that there is no reason for someone to reach out and touch a surface. However, be aware that we also have technology available so that we could broadcast your home to all the viewers on Facebook and Instagram and be able to reach out to buyers that are in our market right now. At this point, you may be convinced that you need a little guidance in the area of prepping your home for sale, but you might also be thinking, I don't know where to start. I can help you through this process and give you some guidance and tips if you're looking to make a move shortly. And I promise no sales tactics, no pressure, just the help and guidance you need.